Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on another one of my videos. So as you can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my hair care and my hair routine that I do every day. So I know I have some other mums on here, so I thought I would share with you what I do every morning. As mums, we don't get really much time to get ready, but I sort of do this routine and it takes me from start to finish about an hour. So that includes having my shower, washing my hair, blow drying and then styling it. So yes, I thought I would show you what I do. So if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start with, obviously I'm going to wash my hair. Now my hair needs washing every few days. I know that's not ideal, but because I've got into the habit of washing my hair every few days, it means that I'm going to have to keep it up if I don't want greasy hair. So yes, about every 2 to 3 days I actually wash my hair. Obviously I shower every day, but I have my trusty shower cap when I'm in the shower so my hair doesn't get wet. But I swap between a few different shampoo and conditioners. So normally I do use Tresemme, and it's just one that I've been using for many years and I know that works with my hair type. And then recently, whilst I was shopping, I noticed these ones were on offer, and that is the L'Oreal Paris LV Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo. And then I also got the conditioner as well. And I've been using these now for about a week and they work really well with my hair. They leave your hair really silky and smooth and tangle free. But not too silky that you can't style it. I don't like the shampoos that leave your hair so silky and smooth that when you try and style it, now you can't do anything with it. Like if I want to curl my hair, if I was to use a really silky shampoo, the curls would just fall out. So those are the shampoos I'm going to use. So I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll see you when I get out. So as you can see, I have got dressed, I have done my makeup and I have got ready for the day. So now I'm going to tackle my hair. Please excuse any noises you can hear in the background. I've got the washing machine going, I've got the dishwasher going, and then George is also watching TV behind me. Like I said the other day in one of my vlogs, my partner is currently on night shift, so he is upstairs asleep. And I didn't want to wait until next week to film this, so I just thought I would do this downstairs, why not, with George in the background, because mum life. So before I go in with blow drying my hair, I like to use a paddle brush to brush through my hair. Like I mentioned, the conditioner that I use, it does allow your hair to sort of be almost tangle free anyway. However, I have left it in the towel for quite some time, so there's going to be some tangles. But using a bigger brush head just allows the brush to glide through the majority of your hair, meaning that it brush throughs and detangles your hair quicker than a regular brush. I then just brush all of my hair back because I like to try and find my parting and make sure that I've got a nice, clean, straight parting. My parting is currently in the middle, so I'm just going to go in and find that. The next product that I use on my hair is a Tresemme Heat Defense Spray, and this is just really good for protecting your hair against any heat damage. So obviously I'm going to go in with the hairdryer, and then I'm also going to go in with the hair straighteners as well. So just spraying this all over the hair, it just really does protect your hair from any heat. So I'm now going to start blow drying my hair. The fastest and best way I find to dry my hair is using my brush and my hairdryer at the same time and constantly brushing through the hair as I'm drying. Now my hair is all dry and feeling really soft and silky. I'm then going to go in and tie my hair up into sections so I can start curling my hair. I've never actually used curlers to curl my hair, and curling my hair every day is something new that I've been doing, but I use straighteners to do that. So I will show you the technique that I use that is so quick and easy and takes around 5-10 minutes to do the whole head. So I first just take a bottom section of my hair and I tie the top, or the rest of my hair, on top of my head. Wow, that is a look. I look like Billy Ray Cyrus. So I then take my first section of hair and I just straighten it through, and then I take the hair, crimp it at the top, and slowly just start turning my hair straighteners, letting my hair glide through while still turning very slowly all the way to the bottom of the hair. And this is the style I'm going for. I'm not looking for really tight curls, I'm just looking for loose ringlets, and this works really well, and it's really quick and easy to do. So I'm now going to do the other side of my hair. So as I straighten it through, exactly the same as the other side. However, I am now going to turn the straighteners the other way so the ringlets are in a different direction. And again, just keep turning the straighteners and feeding the hair through really slowly. To get a nice ringlet. So now I have completed the bottom section. I will then go in and then take another section of the hair. It tends to be done in sort of 3 stages. So if you like, this is now the middle section, and then the rest of the hair, like earlier, I will just put back on top of my head until we are done with the middle section. I'm then going to do the last section of my hair. No crazy fringe now, don't look like Billy Ray Cyrus. I'm just going to brush. So if I keep looking down here, this is where my mirror is, because sometimes the viewfinder isn't quite big enough. And then just completing the last section, so doing exactly the same as I have done. I'm just going to do it one way for this side and then the opposite way for this side. So once I finish curling my hair, I just like to take my fingers and run it through the curls just to loosen any of the tighter curls up a little bit. I then go in with my most favourite hairspray in all the world, and that is the Silver Kern hairspray, and it's so affordable. You can pick this up for about £1 in B&M, Poundland, most supermarkets, and it's a really great deal. The best thing I like about this is it doesn't make you look like you're wearing hairspray. So you get some hairsprays that when you spray it on, it makes your hair look really sort of like hard, and you know that you have hairspray in. This hairspray is just so light, but it holds my curls in so well, and it makes them last all day. George agrees. So yes, I just go all over my hair with the hairspray just to hold in my curls. So that is the end of today's video, and that is how I do my hair. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye.
That my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt